Hey everybody, Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com. Just wanted to make a quick announcement. You know, a lot of people are looking for either a second job these days because they're afraid that they may get laid off from their current work, either from COVID or not getting the vaccine or whatever. And I just want to say, you know, trading has really been a great career for me. And I think it can be for you too if you get the proper training. This is what we do at TradersCoach.com. So if you're looking for something that you can do from home, I cannot think of a better thing to do than to trade the financial markets. You can trade it on a variety of different time frames. You can be very active. You can pull back a little bit and trade just on the weekends or the end of the day. So it's very flexible to really meet your needs. But one of the best things about it is the fact that if you do have some capital that you can afford to risk, it gives you an excellent opportunity to do this right from your home. And that's a big deal today. So you get that kind of freedom. All right, so if that interests you, stop by our website at www.traderscoach.com and you can take a look and see what we have available there in the form of education and software tools that can help you. Now, you can always reach out to us at support@traderscoach.com, and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions as you think about getting involved in this exciting career. All right, so I just wanted to remind everybody that things are changing for people. And so the fact that you can do this from your home, I think is a big deal, and I think it's something you really should consider these days. All right? So have a great week, and we'll see you back here next time.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.